Hi, my name is Alicia and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you were a subscriber from when I was filming my slime videos, you're an OG and thank you so much for clicking on this video. And for my new friends on Instagram, thank you so much if you're supporting my content here. This is my Instagram account if you want to check it out. So without further ado, let's unbox my package from HALARA. So I have my scissors here. I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit more about HALARA while I open it. This is not the first time that I've collaborated with HALARA. I'm super grateful to have worked with them, and this is not sponsored and I just wanted to do this for fun. This is actually one of the biggest packages that I got from them. I think this is about $280 worth of product. So thank you so much, HALARA. I'm so excited to unbox this and I'm really excited to share it with you guys as well. So this is everything that I got from this package. My phone fell. Like my ring light fell, my phone fell. I think the LCD is cracked. But what matters is my phone's still working. So let's continue filming. So let's open them and try them out. So I'm gonna try this pair of pants first. I hope it's not too long on me. That's usually the first problem that I encounter with pants. The fabric is really nice and it fits me so well. It's really comfy. I actually didn't take out the tag yet. It's high-waisted on me, but I can bring it down for it to be more low-waisted according to my liking. It's a stretchy waistband, which is so nice. But the length I have a problem with because it's a little bit too long on me. I do have a hack that I do for when pants are too long on me. Let me know if you guys want to see it. Oh, and before I get to the other products, these are the two that I will be creating content for on Instagram. I won't be trying these on yet. If you're curious to see how I'm going to style these two, just go check out my Instagram. Now let's try on this gray one. So this is how the pants look. So this is it on. The pockets are pretty deep as well, so this is super handy. And this is adjustable, so it can actually stretch quite a bit. But you can lock it in place using this, so it's actually the perfect length for me, so I'm really happy with this one. And it has this in the end. So this one and the size of the previous one was an extra small, but for this one I just got a small. So this is how it looks. I really like the shade. I worry if it's going to be too long, but it has these similar to the ones here. So this is actually quite big, the size, but we have very long drawstrings, so you can adjust it to your liking. This is how the pants look. It's really nice actually. So I can use this high-waisted, mid-waisted, and also low-waisted. So let's try to adjust the ends here. Look at this one compared to this one. And finally, let's try this last pair. This is the only skirt that I selected. The shade Latte, and once again, it is a size XS. Look how cute. It's usually always almost sold out. It has built-in shorts, of course, a HALARA staple. But anyway, I prefer a low-waisted fit, and this is definitely it. And if I want to raise it up a bit, I can just use a belt. This is it. This is the final item that I'll be trying on. So if you guys want to see how I'm gonna style these clothing pieces and maybe get some style inspiration, please check out my Instagram and follow me if you'd like to keep up with my journey. If you made it until the end, thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have other tips for me or video suggestions, please just leave a comment down below or DM me on Instagram. And I hope to see you all in my next video. Bye!